Hi, I'm Jeff Plunkett. I'm a faculty member here at St. Thomas University and the director of the MSMS program with Ponce School of Medicine. So what we're striving for here is to actually have a remote professor feel like they're in the classroom. And through the Zoom platform, we're able to really pull the professor into the classroom. The professors are really accessible to the students, not only in the classroom, but also through email and student study hours. And the other day we were sitting in class and somebody had to actually sneeze, and one of the professors said, "Bless you." And that was when I really realized that the professors were really kind of in our classroom, virtually in our classroom through the screens that we're presenting to the students.
I believe the teaching method that we use for this program is extremely effective. It allows us to actually go home, study the material, watch the professor teach a lecture, then come back and test our comprehension by answering clicker questions. And that allows us to actually see what areas that we need to particularly focus on. And it also allows us to then just go back home and focus more on those areas.
What I like about this program is it's very innovative. It uses a different teaching methodology that you're not really used to nowadays. So it kind of brings like a fresher breath of air into the classroom, and it's not always kind of the same repetitive thing where, you go over the chapter that you read before and you're just sitting there listening to the teacher lecture. It's like more interactive. You're able to answer questions with your peers and, get other perspectives. So you're able to have different inputs and come to a conclusion that works for all of you.